Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Tamia Mpisane threw his wife Tamia Mpisane a surprise birthday party last night, which was attended by the Mpisane clan along with a close circle of friends, you guys, where she was showered with expensive gifts. Happy belated birthday to Tamia. So without wasting your time, please check out others videos.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Tamia! Happy birthday to you!
Welcome.
Thank you. Cheesecake. No, I ordered rice.
You know what?